guys! Welcome back to CantoHousewife. Let's do an unboxing of my Valentine's Day gift. Did you guys guess right on which color we got? By the way, my husband is doing a kitchen renovation, so excuse our messy background. But if you think of any appliances or anything that will fit in our kitchen, give us a suggestion in our comment box. Anyway, let's get started. I actually expect it to be heavier, but it's not.
Wow! Yo! Wow!
It's so.
The individual pack item. We got the set with the milk. The pen. And of course, I've been waiting to get this for like ages. I can't even get it out. Wow! And this is how it looks. Alright, this is smaller than I expected. This is the 9-inch.
That's what she said.
That's right, that's what she said. Ooh, the nice red color. With the Le Creuset handle. Excited. Alright, we got the lid. It's silver! Alright, I guess we don't have to buy another knob. Just say $50. And ta-da! And of course the handle. Made in France.
The pinky one.
The first two things I made with the milk pot is the Hong Kong style noodle and Vitasoy black sesame pudding. And the first thing I make with the Dutch oven is the Korean spicy rice cake. Alright, that's it for today's content. Make sure you check out all my easy recipes and cleaning hacks, and I will see you in the next video.